Hello, in this video I want to show you how to pair your Sony WI-SP510 headphones with the iPhone. And to do this, first let's enter Bluetooth settings on our iPhone. So I'm gonna go through the notification bar and here we have it. Go over the Bluetooth settings. Now move on to your headphones and here on the left one, locate the power key, which should be in the middle. Hold it. And right after you hold it for a few seconds, you should hear power on and then Bluetooth pairing. Now we can see the device on our list and we can click on it. Now, if you see connected right next to your headphones, it means the connection was successful. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.